Katie, I'm a works coach at Growing Places, and today I'm working with, what's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Yeah.
And how long have you been coming here, Andrew?
Once a week.
You come once a week?
Yeah.
Lovely. And what are we doing today?
Putting seeds in.
We are putting the seeds in. Do you know what seeds they are?
Yeah, no.
No? Let's have a little look.
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds. Well done. What's your favourite bit of doing this job?
I don't know.
You like tipping the sunflower seeds in?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see how clever you can be by folding that top bit over. Well done, see, you can do it. Excellent work, that's beautiful. Do you want to put it on your pile then? Lovely, well done. Should we do another one?
Yeah.
Excellent. We're going to send these out to lots of different people. We're going to send them out to our Box of Veg customers.
Yeah.
We're going to send them out to the rest of Realised Futures.
Yeah.
And everybody is going to be planting sunflower seeds at home and hopefully sending us pictures in.
Yeah.
Right, if I get you started on this one. How do you feel when we're doing jobs like this?
I like it more better.
Do you? I like it too.
Yeah, better.
I find it quite relaxing.
Yeah.
Well done you. Right, now it's that tricky bit.
No, the tricky bit.
The tricky bit, yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Enjoy planting your seeds.
Plant your seeds.